You know that heavy, dragging feeling in your legs? Like you're carrying yesterday's stress in your hips, hamstrings, and lower back? This isn't just tightness, it's your body trying to speak. Let's listen, let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward, drop your left knee, sink into the stretch, let the hips drop gently. Breathe into the front of your left hip. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about reclaiming space that's sitting stall. You've likely been bent, hunched, compressed, and this is your body's invitation to open back up. I promise, this stretch relieves built-up hip tension and rebalances the front line of your body. Use blocks or place hands on your thigh for support. Advanced stretches, tuck your back toes for more activation. Do you feel that length returning down your thigh? That's where freedom begins. Hold for 5 seconds, because the deeper release comes next. Switch sides. Left foot forward now. This side might feel tighter, more stubborn. That's normal. It's also your body telling you where your imbalance lives. You're not just stretching, you're recentering. Beginners, keep the stretch gentle and steady. Advanced stretches add a slight back bend while keeping core engaged. Did you know that tight hip flexors can literally weaken your core? That's why what we're doing now is more than mobility, it's stability. Let's spiral into the spine and make a count. From the low lunge, right arm lifts, twisting open toward the right knee. Breathe into the rotation. This is your body's way of saying, I can expand again. I promise, this activates the thoracic spine and relieves pressure on your mid-back, shoulders, and even your breath. Beginners, keep the lifted hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, gaze towards your fingertips and lengthen from crown to tail. Do you feel the space between your ribs? Let that breath in. Let's rinse out the other side. Left foot forward, right hand down. Lift your left arm and open into the twist. You've turned inward all week. This is your chance to turn outward, to stretch what's been compressed. Beginners, support your twist by grounding the back foot. Advanced stretches, gaze up, try reaching just a bit further behind you. That tightness in your glutes you're feeling, it's about to meet its match. Let's go deeper. Slide your right knee forward toward your hands. Stretch your left leg behind you. Ease down into the pose. Don't force it. Let gravity help. This is emotional release territory. I promise, this stretch targets deep glute muscles and restores stress, frustration, even emotional exhaustion. Beginners, prop a pillow under the right hip. Advanced stretches, fold forward onto your forearms or forehead. Did you know that your hips are neurologically tied to your fight or flight response? Hold this just a little longer. You're not just loosening up, you're letting go. Now the other side needs it too. Left knee forward, right leg extended back. This side may feel like it's guarding something. Don't rush it, just breathe. The deeper you allow yourself to soften, the more you'll get out of this pose. Beginners, stay upright and breathe through the resistance. Advanced stretches, sink into the floor slowly, mindfully. Can you release the tension without clenching your jaw? You're halfway through. But the biggest reward is next. Sit up tall, bring the soles of your feet together. Knees fall open like wings. Gently press the knees toward the mat or just let them fall naturally. This is a posture of surrender. I promise this stretch opens the inner thighs and pelvic floor, helping reset your lower body from the inside out. Beginners, sit on a cushion to elevate your hips. Advanced stretches, fold forward, keeping your spine long. Can you breathe into your hips without resisting? Hold and let gravity take the lead. Now we stand, because what we just unlocked deserves full release. Stand tall, inhale to reach up, exhale, fold forward from the hips, let everything hang, arms, neck, thoughts, let them all drop. This is your full body drain valve. I promise, this pose decompresses your spine, lengthens your back line, and grounds your nervous system. Beginners, keep knees bent and hands on thighs. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Let's play a little game. Can you keep your knees soft, spine long, and stay for 10 full breaths? This is where your nervous system exhales. This is what presence feels like. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.